into my hand, please. Just go ahead and just relax this shoulder. There you go. Just going to go through some movements here, get my position. And just let the head fall into my hand.
Oh my god.
Very good.
What? Whoa, that was crazy.
How did that feel?
Whoa. Wow, so good. Oh, that was great.
That's insane.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Oh,
Very good.
oh my god. Whoa.
How'd that feel?
Like everything I dreamed of. That's like what I wanted so bad. Oh my god. Oh.
Wow. How'd that feel?
So good.
That was incredible.
Oh,
So we're going to be doing a standing thoracic adjustment on Kim here. So Kim, I want you to just start by interlocking your hands and just put them right behind the head for me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just going to come in between and get my position right on top of yours. It's kind of an awkward position, but we'll get there. All right, so now bend the head forward for me and squeeze the elbows together. Very good. Now I want you to just look up. Very good. How'd that feel?
I actually can hear it go. That's crazy.
Pretty cool, huh? Nice. All the way out.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Wow, big release. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. How'd that feel? Just find my contact real quick. Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. How'd that feel? That's like a big zipper up that back. And just go ahead and drop the head.
Oh, yes.
Very good. How'd that feel?
Oh my god. Wow.
Relax it and drop the head to the right. Just relax it.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Oh, that's the best feeling.
How'd that feel?
Great.
It's like instant tension and relaxation. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Just relax it. Perfect. Just relax it and drop the head towards me. And just drop the head. Very good. All right, so we're going to be doing a nice occipital lift adjustment to Sabrina here. So we're just going to get her head into position. Now Sabrina, I'm just going to get my contact, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just going to lay your head right against my chest and lay the hand right against my forearm, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just relax here. Just relax it, okay? Deep breath in for me. All the way out. Just relax it. How'd that feel?
That felt good.
Awesome. And all the way out. And just relax it.
Oh god.
Very good. Way out. All the way out. Wow. In my hand. Okay, all the way down to my hand. Just do me a favor and drop this shoulder. Very good. Cracking already.
I already cracked.
Just relax and drop it towards me.
Oh!
How'd that feel?
I'll be back a lot. No.
That was a great
Oh
release.
my god.
Big one.
Oh,
Nice.
oh, I've been dreaming about that. Oh man.
How'd that feel?
God, I felt great. I do feel taller. I want to be measured. I might be 6 foot right now. This might be the only time.
You feel a good zipper down that back?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.